Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. Today is Saturday, August 2nd. It's a beautiful day. We are here in Tyrone, Pennsylvania for the last Tyrone Food Truck Festival here. Looks like it's pretty high up there. I wonder how high that actually is. So let's go check it out. All kinds of different equipment, hoses and whatnot. There's a big old ladder truck. And that is high. Oh, that's cool too. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. Alright guys, let's go check the food right quick. You know I like the food. Well, it is a food truck festival here. So we're out going around downtown and check everything out. These are donuts. What do you think? They got good donuts here. Well, let's see what they got.
It's going to be 9:02 whenever you're ready.
French toast, blueberry, maple bacon. That looks good.
Okay. And then it's just asking for a signature out there, okay? It's just on the document screen. Alrighty, Morgan, we'll have those right out for you, okay? Yep.
Looks good. I like their donuts. I've had them before. They actually have a shop in Altoona on Logan Boulevard. Oh, there's the barbecue I like. See what menu they got. I've had them before at other places. Now that looks good. That's probably what I'm going to get, but it looks like it's got a pretty long line. Well, I like that food truck too. I like the decorations. That's cool. That's another one. They have a little shop under the culvert there in Altoona.
That's okay. I just need a Diet Pepsi.
Okay, let's go check that out. That's all good. These are good stuff too. I've had here. These are pretty good. Kind of nice. I am looking for the soul food that they mentioned. Which I believe is right around here. Oh, here's more barbecue.
Yeah, this one.
You can see it's a beautiful day down here in Tyrone. A lot of different people. Oh, there's it right there.
Oh, you got seats.
Nice shoes. Dude had the same shoes I did. That's cool. Here we are at Juicy Butt Barbecue. I've had them before. They're pretty good.
You want that nacho to go or
That looks good. Let's see the snack shack that they have. And you guys can pause it. A lot of these places, they do have different events they go to, and they almost all of them have Facebook sites you can check out to see where they're at next. And then we got the pierogi guy there. Let's see what he has. Okay guys, we're going down the rest of the way here. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got a couple different vendors there. Lazy Man. Looks like different sites. Cool, I like that name. Cool.
Yeah, it's too much.
No.
Nice.
Lily used to go with us when she was little. She used to go on the boat. She didn't like it. But she did have her big life jacket.
I like that.
Well, from the shoes.
Sam's Club, I'm already a member of Sam's Club. Thank you. Oh, magnets. I like magnets.
You like the cold ones already,
Cool.
right? Oh, the root beer. Oh, the
I'll have
root
a
beer.
twisted tea or something. That's what we drink. That's
That's what my son does. And my son is not.
He's 8.
Oh. I'm like, yeah, probably.
One day I did let him try it.
That's good.
We have little ones. When he was little, we would take our chance to drink away. Take a glass of wall.
You're like, stop doing that. Those are my favorite.
That's cool. I like that stuff. Oh. cool.
I wrote them all down on here and then
Ashtrays, but I don't smoke. I'm gonna check this out again.
Just charger plasma. You want all three of them?
That's cool. That's cool. Let's see what else we got. Freeze dried candy. That's good stuff. I like that.
Like us on Facebook, guys.
I will.
Planning a vacation?
Shit.
Oh, those are cool. Smell good,
We're
too.
definitely getting this one. She got posty.
Pardon me.
No? All right, thank you.
Unfortunately, I'm cash only today.
Good sparkles.
Luckily, I've only had two people.
Oh, those are cool, too. Oh, look at this. Those are pretty cool shirts. I like them shirts. Those are cool shirts. I like them. Oh, yeah, sweet. Those are cool looking things. Shit, no photography. No photography. Oh, look at that. That's cool. I like that. I like the duck hunt one. That duck hunt one's pretty cool. Oh, I like the MTV one too. The MTV and the duck hunt's cool. Now, guys, I'm not going to look at every single thing because I'll be here all day.